Hello guys, welcome to another online graphics training. Today we'll be looking at another design entirely. Once again, my name is Olabode Moses from Gracious Concept. So once again, you are welcome. So today we'll be looking at how to make use of some of those tools that we've explained in our previous classes to make a simple flyer. So we are going to be making a simple flyer relating to Gracious Concept this time around. So first thing I said we are going to do here is to delete the text, then give it color. Let's give it color white. Okay, then let's give it size 1000s. Good. So next thing to do is to give it shape. Okay. Now before the shape, then we use the mask. Okay. Okay. Out it. Good. Out it. Then we set it. Let it cover. Yes, good. Then copy it. Then we roll it. Let it cover. Good. Perfect. Perfect job. Good. When you set it. Okay. Good. Then you lock it too. Lock it. Then what you have to do now is bring in another shape. I'm showing us how to make simple fire. This is white. This is white. Copy it. Then give this color. I know we are used to this, so there is no need of wasting time with design. Then copy, give this, because that is where we'll be putting our image. This is where we'll be putting our image. This is where we'll be putting our image. Good. Then let's look that too. Okay. Let me put the picture. This is the picture. Let me remove this. Okay. Then come back to the texture. Enable. Good. Then you lock it. To avoid it being shifting, just as I've explained in our previous classes. So now you edit it. Gracious, I told us we're editing graphics relating to Gracious. Then give it color column. The next thing to do is to change font. Change font. I love this font so much. So let's make use of this font. Gracious Concept. It's gracious. Let me reduce the size a little. Okay, let me add the concepts. Can give this black color. Then give it stroke. White stroke. Give it stroke. Should not be much. Then give this concept. It should be white. Let's give it white color. Good. Font. Let's use this font. Bold it. Then increase the size. Let me add more features to this. Let me give it the okay. Good. Gracious Concept. Let's leave it like this. Gracious Concept. What other thing to add is about us. About us. About us. Then give it font. About us. Our services. Now let's give it best services. Best services. This is the site. Let's increase the size a little. Okay. Best services and about us. Let me reduce the size a little. About us. Best services. Then okay. Now best services we are into web developer, graphic designer. Into graphic designer, we are into content creator, content creator Then we are into web developer, graphics designer. We are into, okay, let me leave it like this. Let me give it a color. Color. I'll give this black. Okay, maybe this is the size. Content creator, then about us. About us. A live review of your online development services. Yeah. Use the size. Let me give it some color. And give it some color. Oh yeah. Perfect. Let me reduce the size of this. That's about us. The best service size and this too. 16. Best services. System. Good. About us. Then about us. Social media. A simple design. Neat. Angle of an eyes without wasting our time. You can just, our social media handle is at graciousconcept.com. At gracious.com. Let me reduce the size. And this font, then white. And leave it white to bring out the work. And gracious concept. Graciousconcept.com. Also can add the core. Can reduce the size of these two. So whatever information that we want to add, now you add the position to reduce the size, the position downward, reduce the size a little more, good, then a little bit down, then copy, then edit to a number 1. As you can see, this is how to make a simple design, a simple flyer, by making use of our phone. If there is a logo, I can decide to add my logo down here instead of me using Gracious Concept. I can use my logo and add it to this place. Then I can give this place another design of my choice. I can give it any design of my choice. I can decide to give it a design if I feel like. This is a logo, I can decide to give it any design of my choice. Can decide to give it then I can pick a color, or I give it a shadow. There's a design. I can decide to copy it again and give it design. Can copy it again and give it design. Yes. Copy. Can give it another design of my choice. This is how to make a simple design. This is how to make a simple design with the use of Pixel Lab. Okay, I just as we have been doing so, we just have to beautify it now. We have to beautify the work. Let's shift this to a little bit. Then let's adjust this. Let's take this to the top in order to give it more good look. in order to give it more good look. Then let me take the icons up. Gracious concept. Let me shift this icon. Good. That's gracious concepts. Perfect. Then let me use this. Let me reverse the color. Let me use this as the main color. Let me use this as white. Let me use this as black rather. Let me use this as the main color and let me use this as black. Now I feel like changing the font. Let us change the font. Good. Let us use this font. Let's use this font. The services. Does change just the style of this. Good. Let us change the fonts of these two. I think yes, this font. Good. This was the font we make use of. Let's increase the size a little. Perfect. Let's reduce the size a little. What size do we use for this? 29. Let's use this as 29 too. Perfect. Then arrange this. Then we arrange this. This is how to make a simple design. Now let me give this another design. Let me make use of our shifts. Let me give it same color. Let me reduce the size. Okay, let me bring it down. I hope we are gaining something. Good. Now let's bring it to the side. Good. Let me reduce the size a little to 2. This one to 2. Okay. Being alignment. Okay. Let me copy another one. Position down. Okay, good. Bring it down. You can see now that it is properly arranged and it make our work to look more beautiful. You can just reduce the size of this. Can reduce the size of this. Can reduce the size of this. Bring it down a little. Good. Can do. What size do we use for this? We use 18. Let's use 18 for this too. Perfect. Now we can now bring this down a little. Good. So this is how to make a simple design. This is how to make a simple design for our client. Not only for our client, for ourselves. Maybe we have a business that we want to make flyer for, so we can definitely use this Pixel Lab in building it or in making it. So this is how to make a simple flyer. So once again, I'm Olabode Moses from Gracious Concept. See you in next class. Bye bye.